Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today we're talking about how to fix a small hole in your drywall. Usually this is left by maybe you pulled a drywall anchor out or you just pulled some pictures off the wall. It could be smaller than this. It could be a little larger. I wouldn't go that much larger because we're not going to use a patch today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take our hammer like so. And then we're gonna dimple it in around here, right? So we want probably maybe an inch each direction. And we're just gonna dimple it in. And we're really just breaking the paper and maybe dimpling it back a little bit. We don't want to hit it hard, but we just want to put a little dimple in there. That way our mud isn't bubbled up. So alright, so now we're going to grab our mud here. And again, just all-purpose joint compound. We're going to take it and we're just going to go over the top of it like that. Right? And then we'll scrape it away like that. Then we're going to let it dry, come back 24 hours, sand it, and probably put another coat on. And then we'll be done. And then that's it. And then it's ready for cleaning, and you're good to go.